this lesson, we're going to talk about Hdparm and Dmidecode commands. Hdparm command gets and sets hard disk parameters and display information about this data. If we type Hdparm command, and we can see some options in there. For example, -a get set fs read head, dash uppercase A get set the drive look in head flag 01, and so on. So if this command is missing in your system, you can install it by using yum or dnf commands. The next command is Dmidecode command. DMI means Desktop Management Interface Table Decoder. It records data from DMI table and produces it in human-readable format. This command is used when a user wants to get hardware information like processor, RAM, BIOS details, memory, serial numbers, and so on. To execute this command, you need root privileges. Type in Dmidecode command. As you see, permission denied. Let's type Dmidecode --help command to see other options. For example, -d is like a device and memory file. It reads memory from a device file. -q is a quiet, and -s string keyword, so on. Actually, we did overview of these two commands, Hdparm and Dmidecode commands. We'll talk and practice with these two commands comprehensively in our next lectures, which related to other directories and commands. So, this is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson. Bye!